Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for August, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. So your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Glue tissue or napkin fragments. B. Add paint or colour with your fingers or hands. C. Make marks with circular objects. D. Add handwritten journaling or quote or texts. E. Include textured or embossed card somewhere on your page. F. Add doodles or scribbles. G. Include some glimmer, sparkle or glitter. And finally, H. Add hand-drawn or doodled botanical elements. Your colours for the month of August are fuchsia, buttermilk and violet. And your words for inspiration are breathe, leap, flow, unite and desire. And remember, this mission will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.